Decided to take up this challenge of resetting my body and my mind. Let's not lie, our body goes through a lot during the week, so there's only one way for us to reboot, so that the next week we are going to into we'll be able to face it squarely and become stronger. So this is how I reboot my body and my mind, so that I'll come out looking stronger and looking better for the week ahead. First and foremost, now let me identify the kind of struggle and process I go throughout the week. There's this process of having fatigue. There's also the process of having too many issues, physical issues, problems, and worries and stress and all those things. So this is just a typical way of how I reboot myself for the week ahead. Like taking small steps, like taking each walk by the day, meditating and exercising regularly. Because if you don't do that, I don't think you'll be able to have a balanced and a good week. Then I started eating healthy, because healthy eating, it will reflect on your outside that you are living a healthy life. I also try by cleaning my environment around me, because I feel like cleanliness is next to health, to godliness or healthiness, or however people want to say. All these things I'm mentioning is a way of physically helping me stay decluttered during the week. I've also learned that taking care of ourselves is not selfish at all, because if you don't take care of yourself, who will? I just feel like those of us that give ourselves out there are not ready to take care of yourself. So please, it is okay to take care of yourself once in a while. It's also to have that nails done, that hair done, that body waxed, just so that you can be able to feel better and have a better version of yourself. The key to a successful mind and body reset is to just have self-care as a priority and be consistent by incorporating healthy habits into our daily routine. We can achieve a better life and improve our lifestyle by just taking all these things I'm going to be mentioning. E.g., example of what we can do that will help us reset our mind physically. It's number one is exercising your body. Like who doesn't want to take care of himself is someone that doesn't want to live long. So incorporating different types of exercise in your work schedule or your daily activity helps in a long way, or goes a long way in helping you reboot your system. Then secondly, you have to learn how to clean your space. Like if you guys look at some of my videos, my space, you always see that I'm always maybe cleaning my space, or even getting new bed sheets, or doing one thing or the other. That's another way to reboot myself physically. Another thing I like doing is meal prepping and also going for grocery. You guys, I've always put a weekend living in my videos. You guys can always see it. The other thing again I like doing, like helping me to reboot myself for the week, is skincare and self-care. There's nothing as refreshing as having a skincare day or skincare week or a spa week or something that will just help you to calm yourself and take care of your beautiful self. Another thing again you can also do is having a healthy eating habit. Like most of us just come and we eat very late at night, or we eat junk that is not supposed to be invited into our body. So we just have to learn how to stay away from it, and also know how to go that will help us to reboot our body. The last on my list is meditating and also affirmations. If you know how to meditate, it will go a long way for you in your health, because meditation helps. It helps you, give you clarity of what you want. The another thing again is that affirmation I mentioned. Affirmation is one thing that I am learning to, as I'm leaning towards, because affirmation just doesn't just help you telling yourself, it also help you boost your confidence level. Like it takes your confidence level from this part to this part. Like it's a way of just reassuring yourself that you are worth it, you are everything you say you are. Talk about the aspect of physical resetting. We're going to also talk about the mental resetting section. Now in this mental resetting section, how you can reset your mind and your body. It's number one, journaling everything you are doing. I started this thing on writing. I started writing every little things that comes to my head. It's a way of brainstorming too. So you can also put it journaling and also brainstorming. Another thing you can do is that you can also set out weekly intentions or affirmation, that things you want to do during this week, you can set it out. That's another way to just reset your mind mentally. Another thing again I like to do is digital declutters. Like sometimes I stay away from social media for like a whole day or for like a session of the day, just to like have that clarity and also have a me time for myself. Another thing again I tend to do again is in this mental section is that I tend to like go over my phone to check on unwanted emails, unwanted screenshots I don't need on my phone, unwanted phone app that I don't also need on my phone. I try to like delete them, creating space for new things to come, quality things to come in. Then the last one on my list is that I always have this time to be mindful of everything I'm doing, and I pray, because prayers goes a long way. There are many things that happen in terms of prayer. So with this tips I have given you, which one will you be doing? Just remember that your reset is not supposed to be perfect, but just make it intentional. So if you have stayed to this time of this video, thank you for watching. I'm grateful. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to the video, and hit up the notification bell on this side of the video. I'll be seeing you on the next video. From here, bye guys.
Pink, she up and steady, go shorty cause I already know she ready. She pop that body so deadly.